Well, right now, 19 people are dead after a tornado tore through Kentucky late Friday night. Emergency responders are on the ground right now, searching through debris and looking for anyone who may be trapped or in need of help. As we continue to monitor recovery efforts in Laurel County, one group is making it a priority for people to be fed during these tough times. Reporter Aaron Velasquez joins us live from Kentucky. Aaron, this organization will be serving hot meals all throughout the day today.
That's exactly right, Sam. We are live here in Laurel County, Kentucky at the Hart Baptist Church. This church is serving as the grounds for Operation BBQ Relief, a national organization that has served more than 12 million meals since their inception in 2011. I'm joined with their Tennessee area coordinator, Steve Anderson. Steve, tell us a little bit about Operation BBQ Relief and how y'all ended up here in Kentucky today.
Yeah, Operation BBQ Relief, we respond to disasters all over the country. Our mission is to go out and provide that one hot meal that matters. We feel like barbecue has a healing power, and it's very rewarding to hand a hot meal to someone.
Today you're serving some hot meals. Tell us, we got some examples of them in front of us. What are we serving out here in Laurel County?
Yeah, so we did pulled pork. We smoked butts overnight last night, and then we also have today a medley of carrots and green beans for the healthy side.
Of course. And tell me just about the importance of the work that y'all do when you come into disaster areas. How important is one hot meal to these folks who are going through probably the worst times of their life?
Yeah, we try to make just a little bit of a smile on people's faces. I mean, it's, a lot of times in disaster areas, people are eating MREs or peanut butter sandwiches, and we feel like coming in to provide a hot meal definitely helps them have a bright spot in the day. Again, we can't fix everything for them, but giving somebody some barbecue makes them feel better.
Most definitely. We know all about that. And Steve assures me that his crew will be here until they're no longer needed, serving those hot meals. As we mentioned, they just started their operations here at Hart Baptist Church. They'll be here throughout the afternoon and for as many days throughout the rest of this week as there need to be. In Laurel County, I'm Aaron Velasquez. We'll send things back to you in the studio.
Aaron, thank you so much. What a wonderful organization. We appreciate it.